Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to make or to add to our Jamboard for our Essential 5 lesson in Social Studies. So right here I have my homeroom, and I also have Miss Eaton's homeroom. It's the same exact thing on all the slides. I'll quickly go through Miss Eaton's and then I will go back to mine because again they're the same exact thing. So if I can show you on mine, it'll be look like that onto Miss Eaton's as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at which one of the essential 5 we're on. It's highlighted here, so use yes ma'am or no sir. And then you have a sticky note explaining what your directions are. So you're going to use a yellow sticky note to explain or describe the use of yes ma'am or no sir. Now remember, explain is just like a really quick sentence to define what that means, or to tell me what that means. And then describe, you're going to use your 5 sensory details: smell, see, hear, taste, touch. So what would that look like? Or what would that sound like? Can't really smell or taste it, but what would it look like? Or why do we do it? Explain why we do it. So you're going to take a sticky note, and it's already on yellow. So I'm going to put my name and say, using yes ma'am and no sir shows respect to adults. And that can go right there. And once it goes in there, you can move it over here, make it a little bit bigger, maybe turn it to the side, so that way we could fit everybody from our homeroom on there. Then I'm going to go to the next one. Now I'm going to use a green sticky note to explain or describe use eye contact. So the same place in my tools, go down to sticky note, and it said green, so I'm going to use a green one. Again, type my name, and then I describe eye contact. Eye contact, oops, means you look the other person in the eye when they are speaking. Okay, again, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. You can move it over here, turn it sideways so that way I can see it still. You don't want to turn it all the way around because then I can't see it at all. That makes me dizzy if I have to turn my head all the way around. Alright, the next one would be blue. So again, I'm going to go to my sticky note, click on blue, write my name, and explain or describe the next one. Number 4, we're going to use pink. There's the pink one. Again, write my name, explain the essential 5 or describe the essential 5. Number 5, same thing, only with an orange sticky note. Learn from your mistakes and move on. There's my orange sticky note that I can type in. So as you can see, I'm just going to go all the way through and add a sticky note to each one. And yes, I know that was fast. Now on the last page, or on the last slide, it says do not add anything to the slide, stop, do not go past the slide. So like it says, leave it alone because you're done. And then you're going to go back to your Google Classroom, turn in, and that's your assignment for today.